This is a test animation that I've made to show the team to see if you'd like to use this kind of computer-generated animation to support Sailesh's presentation, both for the TED Talk video and perhaps even for the debate at Oxford, where he discusses his paper showing that livestock's responsible for 87% of greenhouse gases. Here we separate the atmosphere surrounding the Earth into a sphere of its own to illustrate what a tiny little bubble of air we all have to share. This is the first part of an animation that I'm using just to try and see what the feedback is from the team. In the second part, I would like to divide this little bubble up into its constituent parts. We've got nitrogen, 83%, the rest mostly oxygen, and it's only this tiny little slither of the pie that's carbon, nitrous oxide and methane. And you can see how just tiny fluctuations in this very small little bubble mean either global warming or ice age, and hopefully here we can illustrate just how fragile the balance we're in is and establish some uniform units, a percentage of total atmosphere, and break down how parts per million or gigatons, what that actually means as a percentage of the total air that we have to share on a scale that everyone can recognize, hopefully to make it more communicable.